Namaste. This is Udvita Bhunagiri and I am 14 years young. Welcome to my platform. This is the platform where I'm going to explore and digest India's culture, rich heritage, lost temples, unsung freedom fighters and our tradition, and also fun hobbies like cubing and Bhagavad Gita, which is really important for this generation. So if you like my content and find it informative, please encourage your kids too. Please like and subscribe only if you like my content and find it informative. In this video, I'm going to share something about one of the biggest volunteer organizations in the world, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or RSS. It's got a history going back almost 100 years, and over the decades, it has played a huge role in shaping India's society through service, discipline, and national spirit. So let's rewind to 1925. The RSS was founded on 27 September 1925 in Nagpur by Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgevar. He was a doctor, but more than that, he was deeply patriotic and worried about the state of Indian society at that time. He believed that the main reason India was under foreign rule was because Hindus were divided and lacked unity, strength, and discipline. That's why he created RSS, an organization that could bring people together, build strong character, instill discipline, and revive pride in Indian culture. From the very beginning, RSS volunteers called Swayamsevaks would gather in daily shakhas, simple meetings where they practiced physical training, learned self discipline, and discussed values of unity and service. In the early days, it started small, but the idea caught on quickly. Within a few years, RSS began spreading beyond Nagpur into different parts of Maharashtra, then across India. Dedicated volunteers called pracharaks, full-time workers, traveled to towns and villages to set up shakhas and inspire young people. The RSS uniform with khaki shorts and a black cap became a symbol of discipline and unity. They practiced with lathi, swords, and traditional martial arts, not as an army but as a way to build confidence and strength among the youth. By the 1940s, the organization had already spread across universities, villages, and cities. And today, the RSS has grown into the world's largest volunteer movement. As of March 2025, there are over 83,000 shakas happening every single day in about 50,000 different locations across India. And that's a massive reach. Plus, RSS doesn't just meet daily, it also has 32,000 weekly gatherings, about 12,000 monthly meetings. If we add it all up, that's nearly 1,27,000 plus meetings happening across the country regularly. That's the scale of RSS in action. The RSS has always stood for the idea of Hindutva, not just religion but a cultural identity, a sense of belonging and pride in India's civilizational values. It focuses on seva, which is selfless service, shiksha, which is education, and swasthya, which is health and discipline, and of course, Sanskriti, which is culture. The saffron flag, called the Bhagavad Dwaja, is its guiding symbol, representing sacrifice, service, and India's glorious heritage. Now let's talk about something that often doesn't get highlighted enough, the service work of RSS. Disaster relief. Whenever India has faced natural disasters like the 2001 Gujarat earthquake, the 2013 Uttarakhand floods, or more recent cyclones and floods, RSS volunteers are among the first to reach the ground. Through their service wing, Seva Bharati, they set up camps, distribute food, rescue people, provide medical aid, and even help rebuild homes. Education. RSS believes that strong education is the foundation of strong character. Through initiatives like Vidya Bharati, it runs nearly 12,850 schools, educating around 3.5 million students across India. Many of these schools are in remote or tribal areas where access to education is limited. Healthcare and welfare. RSS affiliated organizations also run hospitals, blood donation drives, vaccination programs, and support orphanages. In conflict affected areas like Jammu and Kashmir, they've provided homes and education for the children who lost their families. Promoting sports and culture. The wing Krida Bharati encourages traditional Indian sports and fitness activities, keeping the youth active, disciplined, and connected to the heritage. Everyday service. During the COVID 19 pandemic, RSS volunteers stepped up massively, distributing food packets, oxygen cylinders, and medicines to lakhs of people. Youth involvement. Every year, around 1 to 1.25 lakh new people join RSS activities through its online platform Join RSS. Just in training camps last year, over 20,000 volunteers were trained in leadership, discipline, and service. Basically, whenever there's a need, wherever it's floods, pandemics, or social upliftment, Swayamsevaks are there, quietly doing their bit. The RSS has also introduced Panch Parivartan or five keys to a better society. Number 1. Samarasta, which means social harmony beyond caste and divisions. Number 2. Kutum Prabodhan, which is strengthening family bonds and values. Number 3. Paryavaran Raksha, which is protecting nature, water, and trees. Number 4. Swadeshi Jeevan, which is choosing local and living self reliantly. Number 5. Samajik Jagriti, which is fulfilling civic duties and social service. Its leadership today is under Mohan Bhagwat ji, the current Sar Sangh Chalak, with Dattatreya Bhale as Sar Karyavah. Under them, RSS continues to expand service projects while keeping alive the discipline and unity that Hedgever had envisioned back in 1925. Another visionary leader who played a very major role in success of RSS is MS Golwalkar or Madhav Sadashiv Rao Golwalkar. He was the second Sarsanchalak of RSS and led RSS for a total of 33 years. Under his leadership, RSS grew from just a few thousand Swayamsevaks to a mass movement across India. He is also remembered as Guruji for inspiring generations of people to dedicate themselves to Seva, Sanskar, and Sangathan. RSS is not just an organization, it's a movement. From one doctor's vision in Nagpur, it has grown into a nationwide force of selfless volunteers. Today, with over 83,000 daily shakhas, thousands of schools, millions of students, and lakhs of volunteers joining every year, RSS has become a backbone of service, discipline, and national pride in India. In very short, RSS is simple selfless service to the mankind and considering nation as a family. So, this Dashara, let's celebrate those who dedicate their lives truly to the selfless service and community unity. A century of people working quietly for social good is definitely worth applauding. Thank you and Jai Hind.